guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Neha and welcome to my vlog. First of all, a happy Sunday to everybody. I have just woken up. It is 12 o'clock now. This is how my Sundays usually look like. The only day that I get to sleep. So yes, आज का प्लान कुछ ऐसा है. It's an exciting one actually because I wanted to try something for a very long time, and today is the day that you're gonna try that. Now I've just woken up, I've taken a shower, now I have to quickly get ready because जो चीज़ हमें करने जाना है उसकी appointment मेरी 2 o'clock की है. So yeah, I guess I am any which way going to be late. So quickly getting ready, and I will tell you what exactly are we going to do today in few minutes. Moisturizing the face, the sunscreen. Now I don't follow that all 3-finger rule and all of that. We just take a good amount of sunscreen and put it all over my. Guys, it's almost lunch time, तो आप लोगों को सीटी की आवाज़ें काफ़ी आ रही होगी. From there, like I'm surrounded by kitchens over here. So yeah. Going in with the powder because much. Salon जा रहे यार. That is, in case you're wondering, salon ही जा रहे तो इतना क्यों? Nothing is going to be done on my face today. Something on my face, but not the skin. क्या सस्पेंस रख रही हूँ मैं आप लोग के लिए? Already अपने टाइटल से तो देख ही लिया होगा. So yeah, today we are going to do eyelash extension. This is something I wanted to do for a very long time, and अभी festivals भी actually I wanted to do it in Navratri, but वो नहीं हो पाया because we didn't go any which way for all 9 days for Navratri. So yeah, I thought of doing it right now, and so Diwali भी आ रही है, so we thought of just trying it right now. And let's see how does it feel. I'm super excited because this is the first time I'm going to do this. So yeah, let's see. Say hi, everybody.
Don't take me wiping on fans.
Wax.
प्रेस पे होते कसं नाही अजून कुणाला लागू नको देते वॅक्स. Okay.
Let's go. पहली बार I'm doing this. I'm not.
Don't worry, it's a painless process.
नीचे भी होता है on the lower lash.
हाँ.
होता है? हम करेंगे?
हम नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ, please. नहीं, मुझे
करना है तो I was ready.
It will look थोड़ा scary, I feel.
scary, no.
No,
But
no.
handling is what I'm getting really scared of.
ये नीचे वाला eyelashes कभी अच्छा लगता है पता है when you put everyday heavy makeup.
Oh yeah, right. Comfy हो रहा है.
हाँ.
But I think it's a very delicate stuff to do with somebody else. Can I see? Yeah, it
Nice,
does
huh?
make difference.
काफी सारे
ये अंदर इतना बड़ा लाश है. Can we cut it a little bit because
अच्छा ना?
like with this one? क्योंकि
नहीं.
बहुत बड़ा है ये. Don't you think?
नहीं.
Are you sure?
अगर ओपन करोगे ना तो वो देखते हैं फिर उसका वो कॉर्नर्स पे बाकी है ये वाला लाइन है ना ये वाला नहीं.
बाकी है.
हाँ उसको आखिर करना.
Wow. Okay. So there are tiny ones and that one.
वो इसके शॉर्ट लेंथ का यहाँ पे चाहिए.
The single. Wow.
तो वो ऐसा
Wow.
मोड़ जाएगा.
Oh my god.
But it's looking, but it's looking nice on there.
It's looking nice. It's time consuming also. ये आँखा तो अभी तक हुआ ही नहीं है. My eyes is getting watery. That's why we have
Sure.
stopped.
Close. Yeah, it's looking nice.
It's looking nice, but
Very nice.
my water is not stopping. Whoa.
Relax.
I'm not supposed to press it,
Don't.
or else it's gonna poke me. But I like it.
It's looking
Looks
nice.
good.
Yeah.
Oof. More half an hour, I think, and we should be good to go. How does it look?
Looks nice. Must
This
be
is
good.
classic, and outside she's put a little bit more volume,
No, it's looking.
which is
I think the inner corner is left.
yeah, the
Your-
inner corner over here and your this
This
will
is
be
the
left,
full. Yeah.
and inner corner from here it's left.
Good.
But she put a very tiny.
I think
inside.
nice she's doing. Good job.
We are just done with our process. This is what it looks like. It looks amazing actually. ज़्यादा हाई नहीं किया है हमने. We have just gotten done the classic with a little bit volume outside, like a hybrid, but not too much volume in the eye. And yeah, it looks fantastic. I mean, lovely. मजा आ गया. I am back home and I had to go somewhere after my appointment. इसलिए मैं outro करना भूल गई. So yeah, coming back home, I would say the experience was amazing. मतलब the staff was really good. I got my lash extension done from Gloss Beauty, and I would leave all the details in the description box below. Do check it out. They are also running offers right now. There are certain things that I wanted to clear out with the expert, but आज Sunday है and they were completely packed, so I was not able to have a one-on-one conversation with her. She was more than happy to do that, but नहीं हो पाया. So the questions which I had, and in general आपको भी होंगे, so those things will get आपके भी डाउट्स क्लियर हो जाएंगे. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दिस अ परमानेंट एक्सटेंशन? सो द आंसर टू दिस इज नो, इट्स नॉट अ परमानेंट एक्सटेंशन. मतलब परमानेंट मतलब लाइफ टाइम नहीं रहने वाला ये. इट इज फॉर अ टेम्पररी बेसिस. बट येस, टेम्पररी में हमारे स्टिकॉन्स भी आते हैं विच वी डू फॉर अ डे, बट दीज आर फॉर लाइक 20-25 डेज के एक्सटेंट तक ये चलते हैं. एंड yeah, this is one thing. Secondly, is the process painful? It was not. It is obviously a very detailed process, but yeah, if you trust the experts and get it done from the experts, I don't think so there is anything to be worried about. The one who did my lash extension, she was amazing. She was an expert. मुझे जरा भी डर नहीं लगा. I was scared a little bit in the start when she applied the tape, because it is near the eye and you really get scared. So yeah, choose your expert. And my experience was great. Also, the other thing that she specifically told me about was that the aftercare is really important, because you cannot rub your eyes directly just how we do with our normal lashes, right? You cannot do that. It will hurt you, it will poke you also, क्योंकि एक टाइम बाद
ये घाण कर मत दियो. अरे यार मी तर बोलतो ते ते घाण बर माझे नेल्स कर. तू फक्त मला लावून दे, शेप करून दे, बाकी डिझाईन मी करते. माझं पण एक हात बाकी आहे. करूया प्लीज, करूया आता. Anyway,
you cannot rub your eyes like that. It can poke you. And also जब आपके lash निकल रहे हैं, because you will wash your face and आपके eyes में से अगर पानी आ रहा है, to that it will react and the bond will slowly get मतलब वो निकलने में आ जाएगा, because yes, इसका ड्यूरेशन ही कुछ 20-25 डेज तक होता है. If you wash your face a lot or if you're crying a lot, then it will affect and your lashes can come out before the particular period which they claim. So aftercare is important. I've also gotten she gave me this she gave me this as well, like a tiny brush to comb it every day in the morning after the we wash our face. And also strictly no mascara to be applied over this. And even if you are, she mentioned ki aap or what is it, oh my god, हाँ, waterproof mascara नहीं यूज करना है. You have to use a normal mascara जो आराम से निकल जाए. You don't have to rub it and remove it, or you don't have to use your micellar water and remove it. That can also affect and आपका lashes शायद से जल्दी fall out हो जाए. So yeah, I think this is it. These are the normal things that you need to know, basic things. I would really recommend this for bridesmaids and brides especially. बहुत ही easy and handy हो जाता है. Like even if you're not putting any makeup after functions जो आपके होते हैं, I think just this lashes, having these lashes on would give you a great no makeup look, even if you're not putting any makeup. So yeah, I think it's really amazing. You should definitely try it before your wedding. Up being sitting late and see how much comfortable you are, what volume you would need, or how much dense you want to go with your lashes. That's how you can renew it later or reapply it before your marriage. And yeah, I think during festive times and all of this, it's a really great option. I totally enjoyed the process. I was scared a little bit before, but at the end of it, it was worth it. And yeah, I'm currently loving the way it looks on me. And I think it's amazing. Like, I'm personally a lash girly. I cannot step out of my house without mascara. So I think this is an amazing option for people who are in love with applying mascara every day. Also, she told that this process is like, I asked her कि आप साल में कितनी बारी कर सकते हो ये. So she recommended to do it at least twice or thrice in a year, not on a daily basis. And if you are somebody who wants it on a daily basis, so आपका care double triple होना चाहिए, because it's about your eyes, it's about the glue that they apply, and you never know what would happen. So yeah, there are the other things also, but again, if you do it from the right place, then I don't think so these will be any problems that you would face. So yeah, I think this is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hope I shared details and this video was helpful for you. Maybe you can try it too. See you in the next one. Till then, good night and sweet dreams.